Wow, Uncle Daniel, are you hostess? Wow, it's so beautiful. I never seen a house like this before in Jamaica.
Diana, this is your cousin, Kalika. She's been waiting all day to see you. She's so excited.
Hi Diana, do you like our hosting?
Yeah man, it's really nice. Really, really nice.
If you think this nice, you should see our house in Otrios. It's way bigger than this one, but Daddy prefer this one for some reason. Do you want to see my room?
Kalika, she just came from the airport. She needs to rest.
Yeah, when we done show one thing, we come up in your room, no problem. Please tell me so have a jacuzzi. I mean, if you have a pool, you must have a jacuzzi.
We have everything. You're gonna love it here. Uncle Dwayne, that's Mommy's diet cookies. You're not supposed to be eating them. If Mommy don't start cooking them, she'll get fixed.
Lisa, I just want a Roommatey, man. Just leave your mother not go mind. Just tell her say you eat it, please.
Uncle Dwayne, the last time we did that, we get in trouble.
Jesus Christ, big belly man, where you want now?
I can cook some oxtail.
Cook what? Me not cook for you. After you know you want the house, yeah.
You ready for the house tour, Diana?
Yeah man.
I'm gonna show you the massaging room. It's so nice. You get spa treatments and everything. The lady's not here today though, so not today. Maybe tomorrow. Maybe ask Daddy if I call her and see if she'll come. Here it is. Daddy love come up here, so he's always stressed out and tense. I don't know why. I ask him, but he won't tell me, so I just leave it alone. Look, you see? Mommy even have her own hairstylist. She's the one that did my braids. I can ask her to do your hair too if you want. And anytime you want your nails done, I'll call the nail tech as well. So what do you think, Diana? You like it? Do you want me to text the nail tech right now if she can't come do your nails? This is Daddy's office. He'll come in here when he wants to work or think, I guess. Look how it look. See, do you see all these books? Daddy's really, really, really smart. He doesn't talk a lot, but he's really intelligent. You should have a conversation with him sometime. And also...
Kalika, I need to talk to your cousin in private, alright? Forget you have homework. Go and go do your homework and later I'm gonna bring you to TGI Fridays, alright? Alright, my niece. Go on, have a seat so maybe you can hold a reason about some stuff, okay? So I was talking to Mommy and she's been telling me what's been going on with you and your mother.
Mama don't live with her no more. Rent out one room with this crazy girl. What? Me I go to school and everything's going alright. No. It's kinda hard, but you know, it's better than living with her.
I'm honestly really proud of you, Diana. You've accomplished a lot in a short period of time. You seem to be a very bright and intelligent girl, so I'm gonna bring up this offer I want to give you, okay?
Thank you so much, Uncle Daniel. I try. Honestly, I'm just really happy to be back in Jamaica. I wanna come back down here, come live when I look older.
And you can. I mean, look at me. I live in Jamaica. I'm successful. Own 3 houses. You can do anything you set your mind to. Don't worry. That's why I wanted to come here. I was wondering if you wanted to live with me permanently here in Jamaica. I almost finished school, so what do you think? I own a lot of businesses, so you will have work, and you can stay here with us. I asked my wife, and she's alright with it. I will feel more better knowing that you are here with us. One thing I always take serious, and that is family, and I don't like you living on your own in Canada. still pretty young, so I'd feel safe if you were here with me.
You mind if I think about it first? I mean, it is a good idea, but I need to think about it first.
Of course. I mean, you're here for a whole 2 weeks. You have plenty of time to think about it.
So she sing, dance, and she can play the piano? Is there nothing she can do?
We try hard to make Kalika have all the options she can in life. Plus, she's always happy to do it. That's why I want you to come stay here with us. With us, you have all the options in the world. Don't need for staying foreign to be successful, Diana.
Never did really like live a foreign either way. I always prefer to stay home. So you really give me a lot to think about. Thank you, uncle.
Don't worry about it, my niece. Remember, we always take care of our own. We always have to be here for you. You don't know semi full of style. Girl them love it.
But Uncle Dwayne, me never see you with a girl before. So what do the girl them love?
Mr. Hopkins, would you like me to put away some food for Mrs. Hopkins?
No, man. She don't want no food. Just put them all down for me. She up on one diet, remember? So everything going in the kitchen is same for me. Cause me gonna need the food there later on for eat. Alright? Where you go?
Wasn't asking you anything.
Very spicy curry. Oh, Jesus Christ! No, man. Oi. Tastes good though. We can manage, man. We're cool. Don't worry about it. Oi. No, sir.
Uncle Dwayne, maybe if you lost some weight, you could get a girlfriend. You could be like Daddy and do martial arts.
I would like a sparring partner. What is it doing?
You can teach me to, uncle? Nice ear cut. Is that a bowl cut? Really, you can't manage the curry. Stop eating. Uncle Dwayne, we can't hide this no more. Oh, you make cut your ear. That don't look good. Go to a better barber. I know somebody at Portmore who can cut your ear for you, Uncle Dwayne.
Yo, I'm gonna get you some milk or something. I mean, why you keep eating it if you can't manage the spiciness? And Diana is right. You don't need a new ear cut for true.
Because let me alone. And let me alone see it. Thing really look away, I'm not lie.
Don't worry about it, bro. I'll call my barber man and we'll fix you right up. And we know a girl who would love to go on a date with you, Dwayne. Just make sure she her body foot. That's all. And she's slim. Slim as alone me there with.
Babes, get up. How's my sexy husband doing? So, did you talk to Diana? Does she want to stay here with us? Klika's so happy to have her here. At least now she has a playmate. I was thinking maybe we could extend the house and build an extra room for her.
Alright, honey, just wait a little bit, alright? She hasn't decided yet. I really hope though she decide. I don't like how she living in Canada. She shouldn't be living by herself. That is not right. She not even of age yet to be living by herself.
That's what I love about you, Daniel. You're so caring and loving.